guys, in today's video I'm here with Avi, and today we're gonna be playing Roblox Airplane. We're actually gonna make a 4-part series playing all the games. So if you like this first video, then like the game. So that we can.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Okay, this one. Let's go. I guess it's just the two of us, man. So what we're gonna do in this series is we're gonna basically play all the airplane games, and yeah, we're just gonna play all the airplane games. So if you like this one, we will continue the series. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for the thing to end, and now we're in the airplane. I think it's better when it's just the two of us, bro. Okay, here we are. Okay, where's my seat? B9. Okay, so where's the 9th? Oh no, I'm not next to you, bro. I'm over here. I'm so far away. This is a cool view. This might be thumbnail. Let me get a thumbnail. Nah, never mind. I'm not gonna get a thumbnail of that. Thumbnail. Right here. Give me a second. No. I don't think it'll be this. Have you played this game before?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, me too. But I was young. I don't really remember this game. I do remember that there's a monster and stuff or something. I don't know. So okay, let's explore the plane. Oh no, we probably should stay near our seats though, because yeah, we don't want either of us to die. So
yep. Sir, your seat.
Okay. I'm in my seat.
Good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I really have to put some music, or else this video will be boring. For me, it's really boring, but for you guys, there's gonna be music and stuff. I don't want this. I don't want the airplane, the actual video, the music. Okay, let's go. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, so can we get out of the seats now? Oh no.
Nah. But I was gonna get the mail.
Okay, I think I remember this. Alright, should give someone mayo or something, I don't know. Okay, let's go. I've only played this game, so the other ones I haven't played before. Let me get one. Yum. Okay, hopefully it's you and not me. I'm just kidding, bro. Actually, it has to be you, so oh no. Wait, quickly, start opening,
Okay.
bro, start opening. Oh, I found yours.
Okay, fine.
You found it?
I found yours.
Where?
Right here.
Okay, close it. Okay, close it. Okay, close it. Ready? Open it now.
Okay.
Open. 2.
3.
Go. Click it. Open it. Okay, bro. Thank God. That was really hard. Okay, bro. I'm gonna lower my volume. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you that we reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to relax, sit back, and take a nap and enjoy the ride. Oh no, I think there's gonna be snakes or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Bro, it's nighttime now. Okay, bro. I'm gonna walk around.
Bro, I'm eating some spicy chips.
Eating some spicy chips.
Yeah.
Well, let's walk around. Let's go to first class.
Yeah, first class.
Let's go. I'm in first class. I don't think snakes. I don't think snakes at all. What's that?
Wait, what happened?
Bro, I think those are the snakes. Bro, if the plane loses energy, doesn't mean that we crash?
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, is that the monster? I need this for the thumbnail. I need this for the thumbnail. I need this for the thumbnail. Oh, I need this for the thumbnail. No, 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 no! I can't let this opportunity. To block his view.
Right there.
Oh shoot! Oh no! No, one of the bathrooms I think is like a good bathroom. No, 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 no. Okay, stand on top of the seats. I think.
Yep, stand.
Bro, I don't know what to do.
Same.
I literally forgot this part of the game. I think one of the bathroom lights up, bro. Oh, bro, there's literally snakes right below me. Bro, you literally. Go, 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 go. Ah! Over here! Oh my god, bro, that was extremely scary. Bro, I took 1 hit of damage. If the viewers don't see, it's right there. I just took 1 hit of damage. Honestly, it wasn't that much. I'm gonna take a massive shit now. I'm gonna take a massive shit in the toilet. Let's repaint the walls to brown. Maybe like.
Oh yeah.
Also, I think this would be a good time to say, if you enjoyed the video so far, like and subscribe. If like and subscribe. If you want part 2, comment down below. If you want part 2, like down below. Literally, if you scroll down below this video, you'll find it. Like, you know how you're playing it on YouTube? Okay, I should probably shut up. I'm annoying. Yeah. If you did not like this video, dislike the video. Don't worry. I actually, like, on YouTube, like, you can, like, I think you can see, like, the dislikes and analytics, so I'll be able to see who disliked this video. Okay, let's go. Okay, bro.
You got this part.
Okay, the power's back.
But the bad news.
The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount. Bro, what?
No.
Bro, what happens this time? Oh. Oxygen mask. Okay, thankfully there's only 2 of us, bro. Bro, how am I supposed to get it? Okay, I got it. Bro, thankfully we survived, bro. Bro, if this is like an actual full game, we'd probably already die. It's honestly pretty, in most games, the less amount of players, the harder it is. But like in this one, the more players, the harder it is. The less players, the easier it is, bro. Bro, this is so easy. Actually, I don't know. This is not really like that hard of a game. The other games to get harder, I think. Hopefully, I don't know actually. What is this? Wait, what? There's a freaking bomb! Okay, one second. Let me hear my Okay, I'll be stand still. I need this to be the thumbnail. Okay, quickly, find scissors. Find scissors, bro. Find scissors on the other side. Find scissors, bro. On the other side, bro. Okay, I found the scissors. I found a pair of scissors. Okay, now which one do I cut? Bro, which one should I cut? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, kids take over the way. My mother says to pick the best is best, and not YOU. Oh no, do I die? Move away from me, bro! No, 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 no! Oh. Let's go! We survived! Oh my god, bro, I almost died. Because of myself. Bro, if I was on this flight, I would just jump out of the window, to be honest. Also, how do you not notice that there's someone strapped a bomb to your chest? Oh, actually, I didn't really notice it. I didn't even notice what they were saying. I was like, what is that red light? Honestly, I'm kind of addicted to shift lock because of how weird the iMac controls are. Avi, can I tell you something? That's really bad about the first iMac video. The full thing didn't actually come through. It's only 3 minutes out of like the hour-long video that was. But now there isn't. You actually in the first lawyer video there was no music. Because I accidentally deleted all of the music because back then my laptop, like, I tried to save as much space as I could, and then eventually like I realized it. Oh shoot, I just deleted that. There's only gonna be like bro, that was just sad.
But where is supposed to go?
Okay, yeah. Okay, enough sneak peeks into the channel, behind the scenes. Because nobody even likes the channel, so whatever. Let's be honest, nobody watches our videos.
Yeah.
I know actually some people watch it. I've seen, there's like that weird duck person, that weird that weird Mexican channels. And then the other one with the grandma.
Wait, you say channels that review us?
No, not review us. They're just like people who subscribe. I don't know. Okay.
Oh, there.
Bro, I found them. They're dead. I have an idea, bro. This will be the perfect. There we go. Perfect. Thumbnail. Right there. Oh, we need to go to the captain. Let's go.
Come on with me.
Boom, chicka boom, boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, boom.
Wait for me.
Bro, I'm not waiting for you, bro. You're too slow. Bro, I'm gonna open the door. It's locked. Then where's the goddamn key? Oh, it's somewhere over here, I think. I remember. Bro, I can't find it. Where is it? Bro, where is it? No. Find the code. Maybe it's in one of these things above.
Yeah.
Bro, let's go. Come on. This is gonna be way more exciting when I put music into this. Let me hear what this music sounds like. Oh, this music is actually pretty good. But we're not gonna be using this music. We're gonna put my own music. This game is actually pretty boring without music. Like our videos without music. It's like a movie without music.
Where do you find it?
Bro, I don't know. I actually don't know. Maybe it's at the back. No, maybe it's on the phone. Like the numbers on the phone. Have it or something. I don't know. Oh, I found it. 1, 5, 3, 4. Okay, I found it. I'll go to the captain. Oh no, I don't think we go to the captain. I think like we teleport there or something.
Come on, get in.
Oh no. Oh no, who is this guy? Isn't this the... No, thumbnail. No, I need to stop doing that. I'll edit her face to be like, oh, who is this guy? Okay, perfect, thumbnail right there. Maybe this. I'll choose between these two. Perfect, okay. I got 2 pictures for the thumbnail. Add it just now, okay. No! Bro, what is going on?
I don't know.
Bro. I don't remember this part of the game. Bro, no. Oh, is that poison or something? Bro, I think we're supposed to go inside. He's not letting us inside, bro. I think we have to go this way. Bro, wait, where are you?
Right here.
Oh, go inside. Maybe we have to press one of these buttons. Someone has to fly it, bro. Okay, bro, we have to find the button, bro. Click everything. Bro, you can't even click these. Nothing happens. Oh no! Bro, you can't even click these things. Oh my God. Bro, go, click everything, Bro, my mouse is going crazy. Oh, you found the button. That was actually pretty easy, not gonna lie. I want to be captain, bro. Go call security, bro. You go call security. I'm going to fly this plane, bro. Carry his dead body off. Okay, whatever. Let's go. Okay, can we go now? Can we like leave the airplane? I don't think we can leave it. What kind of airplane is this? Bro, it's like a box. No wonder this thing almost crashed.
Bro, what is it?
Bro, what the? It's so weird. Oh, where's? Okay, to the emergency phone, bro. You have to go to the emergency phone. Go get it. Let's go. You go get the emergency phone. I'll fly the plane. I don't think you can actually fly the plane. I think they autopilot the plane or something, the emergency guys. Bro, how is the plane flying? Yeah, we are. No, we're not. We're not okay. Have you seen Avi? He definitely has some sort of mental. I'm just joking. Okay, there's a monkey on the plane. That's what the monkey looks like.
Me.
No, I'm being captain, bro.
No, that's me.
No, that's me. Fine. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot, bro. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, please, bro. No, Bro, I don't think you even do anything. So joke's on you, bro. Joke's on you. You don't do anything when you're the freaking fire.
Look at my hands. Look what I'm doing.
Hey, yo! How are you using 2 hands? You're like, it's 2 inches.
Look behind you.
Bro, what? Oh, thumbnail.
Bro, you already got like 500 thumbnails.
Bro, I don't know which to choose. I think this one is the one. Oh, this is perfect. Thumbnail right here.
Me, let's go.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's perfect. Despacito.
No.
Bro, choose live.
Yes. See,
Wait, did you get to choose or was it like...
I got to choose. I got to choose.
Let me put my ass
said
in your
go.
face. Let me put my ass in your face really quick. Let it go. See, I'm the real pilot. Also, there's no way you use two hands, bro. There's no way you use two hands. You use like one finger, man. And that's your pinky finger. Damn, bro.
That means I'm strong. That's strong.
No, bro, no. You use it because it's so small. It's like 1 inch, bro. Okay, let's get back home, bro. Oh, I think I can turn myself around.
You have to throw up? Oh, you're so weak.
Bro, no, that's in the game, bro. That's my Roblox character.
I know.
Let's go! Victory! Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. So, yeah. Cut the cameras. Okay, man. There'll be family channels after. There'll be family channels after the video's done. Cut the cameras. Kate, I'm gonna beat you to death.